This is our first golf video. We'll see how the this goes. First cuss word. We'll see how many more we get.
High five.
High five.
Should be pretty well warmed up, don't you think?
Yeah, 2 swings, we're good.
Let's go ahead and get another one. Get one set up, get it ready. Get it set up here. Let's go. I might hit one of them old men. Let's go.
Yeah, we won't show the first one. Second one was great. All right, I'm using Jamie's driver because I forgot my clubs like an idiot. I haven't even swung yet. 0 warm up.
Should be good to go.
We're perfect. Oh, and I hook it.
Good.
Oh.
Wow. A lot of action there.
All right, that one is probably gone. All right, don't do that.
Strike 3 call.
Shit.
Did it come out?
I think it's stuck in the tree. Cool.
How you doing with that driver?
It's horrible.